Arun's present age in years is 40% of Barun's. In another few years, Arun's age will be half of Barun's. By what percentage will Barun's age increase during this period? Now, this is a TITA type of question. That means type in the answer. So there is no negative marking for this particular question. Now, this is a simple question on percentage. Let's represent Arun with A and Barun with B. Now, in percentage questions, you can start by assuming some value as 100 and proceed further. So, Arun's present age in years is 40% of Barun's age. So, let's assume the present age of Barun as 100, and therefore Arun's present age becomes 40, because this becomes 40 percentage of 100. So always remember, your assumption should be in such a way that the further calculations become easier. No need of doing this. You can directly write it down as 40. Okay. In another few years, okay, let's say X years later, Arun's age will become 40 plus X and Barun's age will become 100 plus X. Both will get older by X years. Now, in this scenario, it is given that Arun's age will be half of Barun's. That means 40 plus X is half of Barun's age, that is 100 plus X. So, solving this, we bring 2 over here, that becomes 80 plus 2x is equal to 100 plus x. So therefore 1x is equal to 20 by bringing all x on one side and the numbers on the other. So 1x equal to 20. That means their ages will increase by 20. So Barun's age becomes 100 plus x, that is 120. Now again, the question asked is, by what percentage will Barun's age increase during this period? So the general concept for percentage increase is increase upon initial value into 100. So there is an increase of 20 years. So 20 upon initial value, we have assumed it to be 100. So 20 upon 100 into 100, we get the answer as 20%. So you have to just type in 2020.